want to show you how to play Only a Fool, as sung by the Dutch artist Bouke. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction because it sets the harmonic tone for the whole piece. G, A, B, C, D. That's the structure of the piece. You've got a G major, a B minor, C major, and D major, D7 chord. Now what we'll do in the right hand is we'll do an arpeggio, and it'll help if you separate the notes just a little bit. What we're going to do is play the G chord, G, B, D, G, up and down. So it's 1, 3, 5, G, D, B. And then we'll play the B chord, B minor chord. Now the B minor is B, D, F sharp. But since we're right here, we're going to move to the F sharp and start that arpeggio on the F sharp, B, D, F sharp, D, B. And then we're right here, so we'll go right back to the C chord, C, E, G, 1, 3, 5, but we'll start on the G. So we'll start the first one on the G, then we'll start on the F sharp. Now notice, the only thing you have to change is to the F sharp, and you've got the B. You go from the G arpeggio to the B minor arpeggio, and all you have to do is change to the F sharp. And then for the C, all we got to do is change the B and the D to the C and go back to that G. So your C chord is C, E, G. So we'll change right back to C, E, G. Now the D7 is F, D, F sharp, A, C, 1, 3, 5, 7. But we're right here, so we'll start that on an A, and we'll play it A, C, D, F sharp, D, C. So I'm going to go slowly now so you can see it. G, F sharp, G, A, and the chords we have is G, B minor, C, D7, and all we do is put the bass with it. Now I'll go slowly. That A and that B go together. Then you do it again. To the G chord, and we hit the G and then the BD together. Now let's get the melody so that you've got D, D, C, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, then triplets, E, G, A, F sharp, triplets again, F sharp, G, A, B, and then when you hit this B, we go right into that arpeggio. F sharp, G, A, B, B, D, G. So that little interlude will be just like the introduction. Now, for the bass, we'll have G, B, and D, D, F sharp, and A, D sharp, E minor right there, E, G, B, C, G, D, A, G, B, D. Then you go down to this C, G, D, A, which sets you up for this G right here. So you got to go down to that C. If you go up here, then your hands are going to run together. So let's put it together now. See there, you got to go down to the D. Now the D chord sounds better up here, but you got to go down there because the melody is right here. D sharp, E minor. We just hit the D because then we have the whole chord. We have the F sharp in the melody. Down to the C, triplet, D. Now you're going to have to work out your fingering. What works for me is is to go and then switch to the second note, to the index finger. Then I have my thumb for that F sharp. And then we're back for the second verse. Now the second verse is different. He goes D, D, C, jumps an octave. D, D, C, D, D, B, A. Then it's similar. But we stay, so we don't have to go down so low. So the second verse. Now here it's different. We go to chords. So we go to a G chord. Then walking up to the C chord. Now to go from the G chord to the D chord to the C chord, we've got D, G, B. We're putting the G in the middle. Then we go E, G, C, and then back to the D, G, B, and then we're going to end with a D7. Now all I'm going to play this time is C, D, F sharp. There's your whole D, F sharp, A, C, but we're going to play it right here with the 7th on the bottom. So let's start from the triplets. Now we're into the bridge chorus. Now the bridge chorus is C, D, D, C, B, A, G, A, B, B, E, D, E, B. You gotta go down to that E, B. Then we do it again. C, D, C, B, A. Now here it changes. A, B flat, C, D, A, B, D. And then the third verse, we stay on that note. D, E, D, 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 E, A. And then the third verse, after it stays right on that note, and then it's just like the second verse. So let's do the bridge chorus now. Well, we got to get the left hand. D, F sharp A, B minor, E, B, D, C major, D, F sharp A, then go to a B flat chord here, B flat. Now B flat is black, white, white, B flat, D, and then we're back to then we're into the third verse. So I'll go slowly through that bridge chorus so you can see it. You can, if you hit that extra D in there, it's not going to hurt you, or you can go without it. The words don't have it. So you don't need it right there. Now what's crucial there is B flat, D and F, then you got to go to a D. So what I do is I use the little finger. D chord. So it's a quick thing there. If you don't jump to that little finger, your fingers are going to get tangled up back here. And then go right into the third verse. Chords again with that walking bass. Now this time, instead of playing the 7th here, I'm going to hit the whole 7th. So I'll have the D in the bass, the 7th right there, the 3rd and the 5th. So it'll sound like that, and then this is the chorus, just repeats right there. The tag, it's like a tag bridge and a chorus. So you go right into that tag bridge and chorus. Now you'll have a tag at the end of this bridge chorus, and here it goes. Here's the tag. Now for this part, we just go to a G, 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 B, C, and then we repeat that little tag phrase. We do that, so we go. So you're going to hit the G, G, then hit the chord again, G, G, hit the chord again, G, G, B, C. Now we'll do the same thing one more time. And you can slow it down as you go if you want to. Here, we're just going to hit a C, and then the D, then lift off of everything and just have the melody. Then walk it down, and then we'll roll this chord. Now to roll the chord, you go G, D, B, D, G. So that last. There you have it, Only a Fool, is sung by the Dutch artist Bouke. I hope you enjoy it.